Good morning students. In this class, I'll be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus 4th chapter geometry. Exercise 4.4 14th sum. Take a point which is 11 centimeter away from the center of a circle of radius 4 centimeter. So for a 4 centimeter circle, so I'll take a point, draw a circle 4 centimeter. So this is the center point. I'll take the center point as O. For this 4 centimeter circle, a point I have to keep outside the circle, that is 11 centimeter away from the center of the circle. So this is 11 centimeter from the center of the circle. I'll take that point as A. So the same procedure as we did the previous one. So more than half, perpendicular bisector. So from the other point, the same measurement. I have to cut the previous arc. Then I have to join that two arcs such that I'll get a point M. So measure of OM is equal to AM. Measure of OM is equal to AM. I'll get a circle. So the points where it touches, we take that as P and Q. So when we join this PA and QA, that will be the tangents for the circle and from the center point, from the point 11 centimeter away from this circle. So we'll do verification for this. Verification is, we know that OP is the radius of the circle. OP is perpendicular to PA. OP perpendicular to PA. So, OA squared, hypotenuse squared is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. We are asked to find the length of the tangents, that is PA and QA. So, PA squared is equal to OA squared minus OP squared. So OA is, length of OA is 11 centimeter, 11 squared minus OP is 4 squared, 4. So it is 4 squared. So 121 minus 16. So 121 minus 16 is 105. PA squared is equal to 105. So PA is equal to root 105. So approximately this length is equal to 10.2 centimeter. So this is the approximate measurement. We'll check that with the original figure. See, so P, this is 10 centimeter, 10.2 I am getting approximately. More than that, so this is 10.2. Okay, so we have verified it with the help that for the diagram, whatever tangent we got, that only we got in this verification also. So thus we have verified it. Okay, thank you.